To operate on the search results, you will have to specify on which attributes you would like to take action. Go to Settings and click Integration. There are 4 ways to manage the search results. The first one is choosing filtrable attributes. This allows you to filter the results based on an item's attribute, namely include or exclude. For example, you can filter the results to those of a specific brand. The next step is to define facetable attributes. Facets aggregate your search results into groups for given attributes. The values and item count for each facet are returned with the search results. Sortable attributes enable sorting of the search results. And finally, response attributes. These simply define which attributes will be returned for each item in the results. The attributes can be range attributes or text attributes. Range attributes are numeric ones, and text attributes have text values. To add an attribute to any section, click Add Attribute and choose the suitable one. And remember to save the settings afterwards.